Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a teacher looking to save time and stay more organized, you're absolutely going to love today's tutorial. We're diving into Google Sheets, and I'm going to walk you through how to create simple checklists, easy drop-down menus, and make the most out of some really powerful formatting tools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create interactive, visually clear spreadsheets perfect for lesson planning, attendance, or any classroom list you can imagine. Let's jump right in with creating checklists. This is one of my favorite Google Sheets tricks for teachers because it keeps things on track and super clear for your workflow. Start by selecting the cell where you want your checklist to appear. Now, this can be any cell in your spreadsheet. Maybe you want a list for homework completion or tracking student projects. With the cell highlighted, go up to the menu bar at the top, click on Insert, and then choose Checkbox. Instantly, you'll see that empty checkbox appear in your cell, ready to be checked off as tasks get completed. If you want to set up a whole column of checklists, just highlight multiple cells, repeat the Insert checkbox step, and you're all set. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can resize or move things as you go. Think of this like making a to-do list on paper, but now it's clean, digital, and so easy to update as things change. Next up, let's make a drop-down menu. Drop-downs are awesome for minimizing data entry errors and keeping information consistent. Imagine creating a list where you track whether a student has submitted an assignment and your only options are yes, no, or late. No more typing mistakes. To set this up, click again on the cell where you want your drop-down. Then, like before, go to Insert and this time pick Drop-down. A menu will pop up allowing you to customize the list options. Type in each category or choice you want available. This step might take a moment, especially if you have several options, but it's worth it for the structure it brings to your sheet. Try it out by clicking the tiny arrow that appears in your cell. You'll see your custom options instantly ready to be selected. It's just like choosing your favorite snack from a vending machine, but in spreadsheet form. Now I want to give you a quick walkthrough of the rich formatting tools Google Sheets offers, because these are real-time savers and make your sheets not only functional but easy on the eyes. Up in the toolbar, you'll find options like themes. These can change the whole feel of your document with just a click, instantly giving it a polished look. You can adjust number formats, which is helpful for things like tracking grades or dates so they always display the way you want. Text formatting options let you tweak font size, make things bold or italic, or even change the font style, useful for making headers stand out or color-coding information. Alignment, wrapping, and text rotation might seem small, but they make your data far more readable, especially when you're combining lists and checkboxes in tight columns. Merging cells is another handy one. If you want to create big labels across multiple columns, that's the feature you need. Smart chips let you add things like dates, file links, or contacts right inside your sheet, super helpful for lesson plans or resource lists. Conditional formatting is a big favorite, especially if you want certain cells to highlight automatically when a pattern is met, like late grades or missing assignments. Just a couple clicks and you've got instant visual cues. And for an extra pop of color, alternate row colors make large lists much easier to scan. So that wraps up our beginner-friendly walkthrough for checklists, drop-down menus, and a quick tour of all those Google Sheets formatting options that can really level up your classroom organization. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give the video a like. And if you have any questions or want tips for more advanced Sheets features, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, if you want more practical tech tutorials for teachers, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.